American Express Bank Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how banking services have evolved in 2025. American Express Bank offers savings accounts, checking options, and a suite of financial tools, but is it right for you? The surprising truth is rewards integration. Most people get this wrong by thinking Amex is only for credit cards. Bank combines high-yield savings accounts with cashback checking, seamless mobile banking, and the ability to link credit and debit accounts for rewards optimization. One major advantage is security and support. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like real-time fraud alerts, AI-driven budgeting insights, and customer support. Mobile app capabilities include instant transfers, bill pay, and FDIC insurance for deposits. American Express Bank also focuses on accessibility, with low minimum balance requirements for many accounts and tools to help users track spending and save for goals. Integration with Amex credit cards allows users to maximize rewards and manage finances in one platform. However, there are cons. Interest rates on savings accounts are competitive, but not the highest in the market. Some services may have fees, and branch access is limited compared to traditional banks. Not all credit card benefits carry over to banking products. In conclusion, American Express Bank in 2025 is ideal for users who value security, mobile-first banking, and integrated rewards. While fees and limited physical branches may be considerations, the combination of convenience, support, and rewards makes it a strong choice for tech-savvy and reward-focused customers.